Okay, Chef here. So here's the coconut that I opened yesterday. Got the milk out. The juice was very good. Coconut milk, very, very good. This looks okay. So I see there's a little bit of mold here, not good. However, this part of the fruit does look good. So I'm going to proceed to remove the fruit out of this shell. You can use a spoon to get underneath the fruit, pry it up like this. So this part of the coconut is good. Okay, I'll just wash it off. You can also use the back of an inexpensive knife to smack the coconut and help remove it from the shell. Okay, once you've removed all the shell, this obviously goes in the garbage. It's not used for much of anything. And the rest of this we're going to process next. There's a few ways of going about this. Obviously this has some questionable properties to it. So we're going to work with each piece and remove the bad spots, okay? This is completely edible right here, and you're going to just use your knife and cut a little bit of that tough rind off of there. That you don't want to eat. Okay, so this is my fresh coconut. At this point, I normally put this in a colander, wash it off. After you wash it, you let it air dry. Okay, and here's my whole coconut. It's been air drying now. Now, there's a lot of different ways you can prepare the coconut. I'm going to show you just one of them. To take your coconut and just give it some slices like this. Put this out as an appetizer or use it in a recipe. So sliced coconut is one way to do it. Another one you can do is grate it. Take your fresh coconut, just give a little grate like this. Okay? Quite often you buy grated coconut in the store. That's completely different than this because the grated coconut in the store has sugars, sweeteners, preservatives, all different things. This is pure coconut, fresh. So coconut doesn't have a very long shelf life. You want to wrap it tightly in plastic or a container and consume it within a couple of days. That's the video. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, subscribe, support your sponsor. Keep cooking and have a great day. Full-length strips, food-safe glue, perfectly flat, perfectly square. Yeah, really, really nice. So stay tuned with me and